Very first thing which we're supposed to do in this problem, we're supposed to convert the radical to the exponent. So I'm going to simply write that this is equal 7 minus 3x squared to power 1/2. Next, I'm supposed to find the derivative of it. So I have y prime is equal 1/2 7 minus 3x squared to power 1/2 minus 2 over 2, okay, because 1/2 minus 1 times the derivative of my u, in other words, the derivative of the content of the parentheses. So I have negative, right? Keep in mind that 7, derivative of 7 is equal to 0, that's why I'm not going to write it. So if you want to find the derivative of negative 3x squared, you're going to have negative 3 times the exponent 2 and times x. 2 minus 1 will give me 1. I'm not going to write it over here. Okay, again, if you don't know what I'm doing, you're supposed to review the previous problems which we analyzed. So we have y prime is equal 1/2, and I have 7 minus 3x squared to power negative 1/2 times negative 6x. Okay, this is equal 1/2 times negative 6 is equal negative 3. So I'm going to have negative 3x because x will stay, and I have 7 minus 3x squared to power negative 1/2. Okay, so please notice that this time we are dealing with the product because we have to find the second derivative. So this is product, and I'm going to call this u, and this is my v. So I have to find first u is equal negative 3x. U prime is equal negative 3. V is equal 7 minus 3x squared to power negative 1/2. V prime is equal negative 1/2, and I have 7 minus 3x squared, and I have negative 1/2 minus 2 over 2 times the derivative of u, the content of the parentheses. So I have times negative 3 times 2x. Okay, so this is equal negative times negative will give me positive. So I have 3 times 2 is 6, so I have 6 times 1/2 is equal 3x, and I have 7 minus 3x squared. I'm going to have negative 3 over 2. Okay, so this is my v prime. If you want to find the second derivative, you're supposed to use the formula for the product. Okay, derivative of the product. So we have second derivative is equal u negative 3x times v prime, which is equal 3x, 7 minus 3x squared, negative 3 over 2, plus v. V is 7 minus 3x squared to power negative 1/2 times u prime, which is equal negative 3. Okay, let's organize this a little bit. So we're going to have second derivative is equal negative 3 times 3 is negative 9x squared, negative 9x squared over, and I'm going to convert the exponent to the radical, so I'm going to have square root, and I have 7 minus 3x to the second power, and everything is raised to the third power. Okay, and I have minus, because I have negative times positive is negative 3 over square root of 7 minus 3x squared. Okay, and I can say that this is my answer to this problem.